The Belkin Difference. Pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. Fast wireless charge. Wireless charging station delivers 7.5 W power for Qi-enabled iPhone and 5 W for Apple Watch. Case-compatible wireless charger. Compatible with most iPhone cases up to 3 mm, and supports nightstand mode, alarm clock feature for Apple Watch while charging. Additional USB-A port. This wireless charger is designed with an additional USB-A port in the back. You can charge a third device, including an iPad or AirPods, cable not included. Compatibility. Works with iPhone 13, 12, 11, X, 8 at 7.5 W and Apple Watch Series 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at 5 W. Comes with 1x boost-up wireless charger dock for iPhone plus Apple Watch, 1x1.5 meter 5-foot AC adapter, quick install guide, and extended warranty registration card. Top reviews from the United States. Nice replacement for individual chargers. Small footprint. Single cord to outlet. Nice clean look. Wouldn't take it for any travel. Will still use individual cables and cords as they pack smaller.